The 30-second chair stand test is an assessment that was created for older adults or elderly people aged 60 or over. This was created in order to assess the leg strength and endurance of people who fall under that age group, and in turn assess the risk of falling. It's relatively easy to do given that one only needs a chair and a timer. The chair must be at 17 inches tall and cannot have armrests since the test requires them to stand up without using their hands as support. It must also be placed right by a wall but facing away from it so that the patient taking the test doesn't fall back by accident. The test follows these instructions. Place both your hands on opposite shoulders. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Keep your back straight. Keep your arms against your chest. When the examiner says go, rise to a full standing position, then sit back down again. Keep repeating until the examiner says stop. As the patient is doing the test, make sure you count and record the number of times they went to full standing position throughout the 30-second run time. In the event that the patient is halfway to a full standing position when you stop the timer, count that as a full stand. In the event that they ever use their arms to help themselves stand, the number of times they went to a full standing position will be 0. Once you're done recording the number of times they went to a full standing position, consider the following ranges for below average scores shown on the screen. If they score below average, that means they are at risk of falling down when standing up from a chair without the aid of their hands, equipment, or another person, meaning a treatment plan must take into account the possibility of them falling and the fall will impact them. To find our 30-second chair stand test, go to our Carepatron platform. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.